Currently, this is our lounge. It's a little mismatch, and yes, I want to make it presentable. This will be painted. It's all gonna be white soon. Done. So this, I'm going to do a time lapse. Everything is white. So happy with my paintings. This is only £60 and it's quite big. Look. And this is a Moroccan puff. I'm gonna fill this up with some pillows. I have it here. And also I made this round foams from an old mattress that we have. I think it's too big for this table. These are covered under the stairs. I painted this white. This time I'm going to attach 2 hangers here and some shelvings. Right, this is a work in progress.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Lance.
Hi.
Yeah. This is our main entrance. It's a very tight entryway. We have this box that's going to the Philippines. This is the mirrors, and we had this for over 10 years now. This here is the door going inside the lounge and conservatory. This is our kitchen. So it's a very tight space. This is the end result, and the mirror is now in one piece. This is our mini dining area, which we use is for breakfast because our proper dining table is in the conservatory. The chairs comes in different colors. We have gray, gold, and silver. So my plan is to spray paint this with black, just like this one here under the table, and I know it's gonna look great. We love it. It's, I think, £39 each. I unscrewed, and yeah, we'll start painting this. Okay, so this is my setup and the spray paint that I'm going to be using. And here's my chair, fully painted in black. I think I'm going to replace this one. That looks good. So I have a new pillowcase covers. I love this. Look at the texture. And this is the old one. And it does match, so I leave it like that. This straw is from Turkey. This one is from Shein.com. And this two here is from Amazon. Finally, Daddy is going to hang the second pendant light. This is after 2 months. Dad is trying to assemble the cabinet that we bought from IKEA. It's now 9 o'clock in the evening. So this is the boxes. How it looks like.
Yeah.
Nearly finished. I have 5 of these rattans that will go in the shelves. The radiator cover looks like this one. And the new one will go this side. And here's the radiator cover. It's ready to go in our lounge. Another well done job for me. And then look at my arrangement. Isn't it lovely? Tingnan mo. This is a drink trolley of Daddy from Amazon. My shoe cabinet, it was black and then I painted white, and it was in the same corner for about 5 years now. But since we rearranged the lounge, it doesn't look good anymore. So I need to move it here in the entryway. Here's the cabinet now. My problem is it's a little bit long. I need to shorten this so it's not blocking the door to the kitchen. And here is it now. It does fit perfectly and I'm happy with that. And over this side, it's not too bad. See? I can see some patches here, so it needs repainting. That side. Here as well. Stair storage that's gonna go here. Currently this is where I put our disinfectants, however it's gonna be moved here. We also have this disinfectant wipes, mask, hand gel, more wipes, and here's my new basket containing my disinfectants. Looks so organized. This here is a rag runner from Wayfair. Beautiful. Love it. Love it so much. Like. And here is the tray from Anthropology, and it houses our sunglasses when we go running. And just perfume, and that's Daddy's. It says, hello. My snake plant, and this is a reminder. It says please remove your shoes. Right here is Daddy's photography. I can turn off the light so you can see it clearly. So that's that. That's Winchester High Street. Right at the top is a picnic basket, and that's a fake plant from IKEA. And the most important one is this painting, and that's Lance's when he was 5 years old. It's an abstract. guys for watching. I hope I inspire you to also transform your living room. Like and subscribe. Bye!